there must have been some reasons. No one becomes unfaithful without cause. My love was strange, my devotion was at its peak. Sometimes I received everything without asking, and sometimes nothing even after pleading. I guess now I no longer live in your thoughts. You call love a game, while I ruin my life for it. Even after finding you, I gain nothing. Even as yours, I remain helpless. Maybe others love me too, but I'm in love with my own kind of love. Only the wise make mistakes, my friend. Have you ever seen a fool fall in love? Let me give you my own example. Love sometimes lets you live even after killing you. Those who are not written in destiny, we love them with the purest passion. Our bond will never grow weak, it's just time's conspiracy. Sometimes you're busy, sometimes I am. Feel me somewhere deep inside you. Your heartbeat exists wherever I do. If you become mine, I'll love you so much.